Well, we at Puget Marina here, we've been in business for over 50 years. Our main focus is probably service and taking care of our customers. When a person does buy a new boat from us, especially if they're a first-time boater or never had a boat, we actually go out on the water with you and give you an on-the-water orientation, check you all out so you understand how the boat works and use it and run it and that type of stuff, which is real helpful for people if they've never had a boat before. If you don't have a place to keep it, we can store it here. You call us up, we'll put the boat in the water and you can go use it and come and go from our dock for the day or the weekend or whatever you're going to use it for, and then when you're done, you let us know, we take the boat out of the water and put it away for you. We have something for just about anybody. You know, if you want to go and ski around for the day, we have boats that do that, crabbing, fishing, water sports, just about anything. Have several different lines. One of them is Campion. It's a line of fiberglass boats that we've sold for over 30 years. We also sell a line of pontoon boats, which is aqua patio and sweetwater. We have the Northwest boats, which have been around for a long time. Real great for fishing and cruising around in. Then we also have another line called a Hurricane, which is the deck boats, which is kind of your family runabout with a whole lot of room in it. I'm very proud of the staff that we have. We have several mechanics and technicians. They've been with us for many years. Most of them have been a long time. With all of our crew in the shop, there's easily over 100 years of experience. You know, a lot of our guys have been with us for 10 years or more. We can handle just about anything, whether it be an IO or outboard. Several mechanics and technicians on staff that can handle it. You know, a lot of times people come to us, first-time boaters, and they don't know exactly what they want. They're not sure what kind of boat they need for the area. So with our experience and knowing what works out here in Puget Sound especially, and a lot of the lakes, we can very easily find a boat that will fit their needs. Showing you how it all works. That's, you know, part of our customer service. That's what I really like about working in the boating field and here at Puget Marina is just, you know, seeing people happy.